na naman. Kasali na naman ako sa SMP. Samahan ng mga macho at gwapo ngayong Pasko. Katulad nila. Oh, but I still feel that something is missing. Lord, it hurts. Hanggang na. Mr. Pure Energy?
Yes, it's me. Hayaan mong awitin ko ang nararamdaman mo. Bro, matanong ko lang, ano ba ang dinaramdam mo?
Ganito kasi yun, Mr. Pure Energy. Like you, I'm a Christian. I go to church. In fact, I'm a volunteer. Pero somewhere inside of me tells me that something is wrong. Something is missing.
How's your relationship with the Lord? I encourage you to go and have quality time with Him. Oh, I have to go. May concert pa kasi ako. Keep the faith.
Salamat, Mr. Pure Energy. Quality time with the Lord? Eh kung mag-live group muna kaya ako? Ay, hindi. Balik na lang ako sa admin. Music na lang.
Hi, bro!
Huh? Asia Songbird?
Aha, ako nga. Narinig ko ang hinaing mo, which kinda reminds me of my song.
Gugulan na kasi ako. Ano pa ba kasi ang gulang?
Well, I guess the question is not ano, pero sino. Russia, I have to go.
Ellie?
Oh, pare ko! May phone call for you.
Hello? Hello? Ay, may Skype pala ito. Toot. Wow! Hello, bro. Hi, Ade.
Hello, bro. I hope that you will be reminded that Jesus is the reason of this season. In fact, not just for this season, but in every single day of our life.
And life without Jesus is no life at all.
Right, if Jesus is not the reason, then I will miss out the whole point. Lord, ang buong buhay ko ay para sa'yo.
At hindi lang yan, sa spiritual family na ito, we are one.
Rancho? Farhan? Rancho?
Wow! That was again the youth ministry! Galing!
Wala akong masabi
Kaya nga eh.
Mga best actor o best actress pala sila.
Speechless na speechless. Kaya naman, tanungin naman natin si
Oo.
Bossing Rick. Kung
Ano
may
ba
mga...
tingin na po din sa presentation ng youth ministry?
Yes!
Ikaw na!
Asan ka na ba?
Madlang people! Nag-enjoy na naman ba kayo?